Good day to you children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are learning with all colorful pictures. Okay, and in my last class I have taught you about animals which we see around us and which we can keep as pets. Also the animals which are very useful to us, right? So you have learned in the last class about domestic animals and today we are going to learn about animals which are very dangerous, which we get scared of. So have you visited a zoo? Yes, I'll take you to a zoo. Well, you know, last year I visited a zoo and there were many animals which were dangerous like lion, tiger, elephant and many more. So today we are going to learn about wild animals. So animals which live in the forest are called wild animals. Wild animals live on their own without any help from people. They find their own food, shelter and water. So now let us learn about each one of them one by one. This is a tiger. It is a national animal. The tiger belongs to the cat family and that is why they look like a big cat. And what does tiger eat when it's hungry? Tiger eats flesh of other animals as its food. This is a lion. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. Lion hunts and eats other animals when it's hungry. This is an elephant. It is the biggest land animal. It has a huge body and a big trunk and two big teeth and fan-like ears. The elephant loves to eat grass, leaves, sugarcane, fruits, especially banana. This is a deer. Deer has beautiful antlers. What is that antlers on the head? It has nice designed horns, right? So that is called antlers. It has thin legs and it eats leaves and grass. This is a bear. Even though bears are big and heavy, they can run very fast. It is good at climbing and swimming. It can climb on the tree and can swim in the water also. It mostly eats meat and fish and also eats plants and insects. This is a giraffe. It is the tallest animal in the world. It has a long neck and it loves to eat leaves and fruits. This is a kangaroo. It carries its baby in its pouch. Can see the baby in a pouch? Yes, Its front legs are short, so it uses them to carry food to its mouth. It eats grass and leaves. This is a cheetah. It is the fastest land animal. It eats other animals as food. This is a monkey. Monkey jumps from tree to tree. It eats fruits and leaves. And it likes to copy people. Whatever other people are doing, they will also copy the same thing. Next, this is a zebra. It has black and white stripes on its body. It eats leaves and grass. Okay, now I will see if you have understood the lesson. Which is our national animal? Yes, the tiger is our national animal. Which animal is the king of the jungle? The lion is the king of the jungle, yes. Which animal jumps from tree to tree? The monkey jumps from tree to tree. Which is the largest land animal? The elephant is the largest land animal. Yes, very good. Which is the fastest land animal? The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Which animal has a long neck? Yes, the giraffe has a long neck. Yes, very good. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you again with a new lesson next time. And don't forget, be kind to animals. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.